Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. The Lord speaks to us out of Proverbs 3, verse 9 and 10. He says, "Honor the Lord with your capital and sufficiency from righteous labors, and with the first fruits of all your income. So shall your storage places be filled with plenty, and your vats shall be overflowing with new wine." This is so important, people. Where the Lord speaks, he said, honor the Lord with your capital, your sufficiency. And if you look at the Hebrew understanding, the Greek understanding, and if you look at the different translations, it says, honor the Lord with your wealth. Give him glory, make him known. And this wealth, we must realize, is not only wealth of finances. And that is where we are so focused on in this time and season. People are so focused on finances. But the wealth of heaven, the wealth of Yahweh is upon us, is in us, and is available to us. And we need to look at it. What do we do with this wealth? Is God glorified and honored in it? And you know, everything belongs to God. All your finances belongs to God. And what do we do with that finances? To administrate, to steward heaven, to guide the natural realm into the heavenly realm, to bring it into oneness, that it manifests, and that the people will acknowledge and declare Jesus Christ is King. You remember now, you are wealthy. Everything of heaven, everything of creation belongs to you as well. You've inherited all of those. And we need to bring it now into this place of honor. And we need to ask ourselves, are our intentions focused on him? Is our wealth focused on him? Is our wealth in oneness with him? Or is it just about the world and about ourselves? And because if we administrate and steward it and glorify them, and every gift of the Spirit, everything about God, the fullness of God in us, if we steward it to glorify him, he says, so shall your storage places be filled with plenty, and your vat shall be overflowing with new wine. God will keep on giving you the new. He will keep on letting you grow. He will keep on expanding everything about whom you are. He'll keep on blessing you in abundance and blow you away, keep you in awe and amazement all the time. So let's focus on him, and let's make sure that every area, every dimension of our lives are about his wealth that we want to make known so that he gets glorified. I bless you.